Welcome to today's virtual lesson for May 11th, the introduction to your Civil War project. As you can see, I got a microphone, but as I'm looking at it, I'm realizing that this just doesn't go with the level of stardom that I have reached making these videos. I need a bigger microphone. And so I have one. I have a bigger microphone. And I was also thinking that it's time for some Civil War jokes. So I did some Googling to see if I could find any Civil War jokes. And honestly, I didn't think that they were that good. I didn't think that they were that funny. So as Civil War jokes, I generally don't find them very funny. Get it? General Lee. That's him. That's General Lee. General Lee for the North. Don't find them very funny. Is this thing on? I don't hear you laughing. I assume you're laughing because that was generally very funny. Okay, let's move on. Today's agenda. We are going to do some deep breathing and gratitude. Then we'll go over the objectives. We'll do shout outs. We'll watch a Civil War video. We'll talk about your project. And then it'll be your turn. So let's start with some deep breathing. Choose one way that you're going to do deep breathing. I think I'm going to do balloon. And think of one thing you are grateful for. I, in honor of Mother's Day, am grateful for my mom.